My name is Taiba, and today I'll tell you about design patterns that are used in .NET Framework. These are the solutions to software design problems that you find again and again in real-world application development. These patterns are about reusable design and interaction of the objects. We study 23 gang of 4 patterns in these patterns, which is further categorized in 3 groups: creational, structural, and behavior. These are all the patterns that we are going to study. Creational design patterns is a way to create the objects while hiding the creation logic. It includes the following design patterns. Behavioral design patterns are specifically concerned with the communication between the objects, and it includes the following design patterns. And structural design patterns are the design patterns that ease the design by identifying a simple way to realize the relationships between different entities, and it includes the following design patterns. Factory method, it creates an instance of the specified object. Using this pattern, we can create instance of the class without exposing the logic to the outer world. Sometimes it is required to create the instance of the class on the runtime, and then we use factory design patterns. It is used to create decoupled systems. Here I am going to take a real-life example to demonstrate it very clearly. Let's suppose there is a company which manufactures 3 factories that are of the types of car. One is for Suzuki, other is Honda, and third one is for the BMW. Now, if I want all the information of each car, then I'll just pass the input data which contains only the name of that car, and this would return all the details of that car. In abstract factory pattern, it is a factory which creates further more factories, and those factories will create the other objects. It is used in ADO.NET infrastructure. This is the abstract factory which will create different factories. For example, vehicle factory, bike, and the scooter factory. Now, the scooter factory will create different scooters. Similarly, vehicle factory will create Honda factory, Hero factory, etc. Pillar design patterns separate the construction of a complex object from its representation, so the same construction process can create different representations.